A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all into this session of sentences. We have already seen what is a sentence. We have already seen what was the discussion between Goldilocks and Baby Bear, in which we saw that Goldilocks was not speaking in proper English. Then we had seen some corrections, and then this definition of sentence, a sentence being a group of words that makes complete sense. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Right? We use capital letter also for special names. We did this exercise in which we have to circle and put a full stop to the first letter of the sentence and full stop at the end. Then we arranged these letters to make a complete sense. Now we also saw that sentence has two parts, right? In the beginning one are called naming words and the rest are the action words, right? And we were asked to underline the naming parts and circle the action part. We did up to the exercise D, and today we will be moving ahead. Now look at these sentences. Where were you? I went to the forest with mom and dad. Here Goldilocks is asking Baby Bear something. Baby Bear is giving her an answer. Sentence. Now see, statement when we simply say something, question when we ask something. These are the two types of sentences we know. The baby bear eats honey, an apple is red in color. These are the example of a statement. Question, where did baby bear go? How are you? You noticed that both the statement and the question begin with a capital letter. A statement ends with a full stop. A question ends with a question mark. Now, answer this question with right complete sentences. What is your name? Right? Uh, my the answer will be what you will write. My name is dot 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 dot. Whatever your name might be, you can write your name there. Just for example, for me, my name is Amit. Right? You can write your name in the place of my name. How old are you? The answer will be I am 10 years old, or I am 12 years old. Anything, whatever your age might be. Who is your best friend? You will be answering it. My best friend is Tony. Right? Fourth, do you like to paint? Yes, I do like to paint. Yes, I do like, or yes, I like to paint. Any of the two. Right? Fifth, what do you do in your free time? What will be your answer? I like to play cricket in my free time. I like to play chess in my free time, or anything quite like that. Now this is an exercise. Work in pairs. Look at the picture. Take turns to make sentence from each of the nouns which are there. And now you have to color the picture. Now let's do this learning with the ladybird. We use question words to ask question. We use who to ask about who is that boy. That boy is my brother. We use where to ask about places. Where is the pen? The pen is in the house. We use what to ask about things. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is chocolate. We use when to ask about times. When does the school start? The school starts at 8:30. We use why to ask for reasons. Why are you happy? I have a new toy. And then we always use a question mark at the end of every question. Right? You should never forget. Okay. Now, these are the question words. Where, when, what, who. Now, where is for the place. When is for the time. what is for the goods and who is for the person who is there. Okay, now circle the correct one and write. Now who and what is your teacher? Now when we are actually asking about the name of the teacher, so we will say who is your teacher. Where oblique when is your birthday? When depicts the time, we are asking about the date, so it should be properly when is your birthday. Who oblique what is your favorite food? Who is for used for humans, so we cannot use who here, so it would be what is your favorite food. Where, who do you live? The correct answer is where. Where do you live? Why and what are you hungry? What is inappropriate here, so why are you hungry is the correct answer. Where and why is your school? The correct is where is your school. Right, children? So in this session, in this chapter, we read about sentences. What are sentences? What are their relevance? What are their importance? Right? And sentence is not any group of word is called a sentence. Sentence must be a group of words which make some sense. We saw that first half of a sentence is the noun and the second half is the action verb. Right, children? I enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed learning from this session as much as I did in making it. So until we meet again, it's a goodbye from my side.